Chainsaw Man Chapter 232 Global Release Date. Shueisha releases Chainsaw Man chapters globally at the same time they are available to read in Japan, midnight JST. Because of this release method, international fans don't have to wait much at all. The following table provides the precise release times for Chapter 232 across major time zones. However, keep in mind that the regions, including Australia and New Zealand, are a day ahead because of the time zone. Time zone. Local time. Date. Pacific Daylight Time, PDT. 8 a.m. March 24, 2026. Mountain Daylight Time, MDT. 9 a.m. March 24, 2026. Central Daylight Time, CDT. 10 a.m. March 24, 2026. Eastern Time, EDT. 11 a.m. March 24, 2026. Eastern Time, Canada. 11 a.m. March 24, 2026. Brazil Time, BRT. 12 p.m. March 24, 2026. Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. 3 p.m. March 24, 2026. Central European Time, CET. 4 p.m. March 24, 2026. South African Standard Time, SAST. 5 p.m. March 24, 2026. Gulf Standard Time, GST. 7 p.m. March 24, 2026. Indian Standard Time, IST. 8:30 p.m. March 24, 2026. Philippine Time, PHT. 11 p.m. March 24, 2026. Australian Eastern Daylight Time, AEDT. 2 a.m. March 25, 2026. New Zealand Daylight Time, NZDT. 4 a.m. March 25, 2026.